Hey Leo, please keep in mind if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of July. Okay, yeah, alright, it's consistent across the board. I was trying to see if I was picking up on someone new for you guys, but I'm sorry, I'm not, like, at all. Not right now. Just with these three cards, the energy that I'm picking up, it is the past. And honestly, this isn't your energy, Leo. This is the other person's energy. So whoever messed up, this is their energy. So Leo, you're dealing with someone else. I'm telling you, this is their energy. Cross watchers, if you're dealing with a Leo and this message that I'm getting ready to say doesn't apply to you, then yeah, this is the Leo. But I'm picking up whoever messed up in the relationship or whatever situation you guys have going on, whether you're married, in a relationship, you're separated, whatever. This person wants to come back towards you and work things out. And I feel like they're definitely planning. The thing is, they are taking a cautious approach because they know that you're pissed with them. They know that you're tired of the nonsense, their BS. They're trying to come back in, wanting to, like, not be so serious. And I've been seeing this across the board. Like, whoever's messing up, it's like they know they have to come back and speak their truth, work things out. But it's like when they reach out to you, they're not jumping right in, getting to the point, like, of what happened. They're beating around the bush, you know, trying to, like, test the temperature, see if you're upset. And that's why that playfulness card came out. And I feel like they just want you to, like, chill, but there ain't no chill, because you gotta figure out what the hell happened. So yeah, let's just jump in. Let's just jump in. I just feel like they're taking a cautious approach, but you're gonna take a cautious approach with this person because you just don't trust them. So let's just see how this plays out. Alright, Spirit. General reading, please, for my Leos. Voice, don't fail me now. Alright. Bottom of the deck, I have the Queen of Pentacles. So, some of you guys could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. But I'm going to be honest with you. When I saw the Queen of Pentacles, I feel like that's you, Leo. And, you know, I just feel like at this point, you're representing the Queen of Pentacles where you're healing, you're moving on, you know, you have this sweet, nurturing, caring spirit about yourself, and you refuse to let this person bring you down. And I just feel like you're just focusing on you, your mental stability, your emotional stability. You know, you're just throwing yourself into your career. Some of you guys are starting your own businesses, and it's like you don't have time to deal with the nonsense from the past. So that's what I'm seeing here so far. Yeah, see? Somebody feels like, the person who messed up feels like they're not going to be able to have a new beginning with you. And to be honest, I feel like you guys don't really want a new beginning with this person because you're tired of them. Yeah, see, you guys are coming out of being frustrated about the situation because this person had you waiting. I feel like this person had you waiting, like they made false promises. And so now you're over it. You're like, you know what, F it. Like, I'm done. Yeah, this person left you guys out in the cold. And I'm telling you, you're healing. It's just what I'm seeing here. You're definitely healing from that. Because this person hurt you something bad. So, yeah, and you're confident. I feel like you guys are confident because you're moving on. Tell me more. But see, somebody keeps thinking about the past. Somebody keeps thinking about all the memories here. And I feel like the person that messed up, they definitely want a future with you. But they're scared that things are not going to improve. Tell me more. Somebody could be dealing with a Scorpio. But I definitely feel like in order for things to move forward, something has to come to an end. So, yeah, this is definitely the person that messed up. They're trying to change their ways, certain things about themselves, people that they hang around, they deal with. It's like they're throwing all those old behaviors, people away because they want a new beginning with you. And so this person is rushing in to tell you this. Tell me more. But you have to be careful because that's that in and out energy with the Knight of Wands. And this is like, they can be a player. But let's see. Yeah, at this point, they're scared they're not going to have a victory with you, or maybe you feel like you're not going to have a victory with this person because, see, yeah, somebody is like stuck. I feel like they're stuck in a situation, or they're feeling stuck, where they could be like codependent to helping someone, whether it's like another man, woman, family, friends, whatever the situation is, or somebody's codependent to them. But there's some type of situation going on here. Yeah, see, this person isn't single. Somebody is like in a situation with someone else, or this could just be saying they don't have a peace of mind because this person is like constantly giving to someone, and it could be family. Well, let's just see. Tell me more. Somebody's definitely worried about their money, see, and this is why they're scared they're not going to be able to have a commitment with you. Clarify the Hierophant reverse. Somebody made a decision. I mean, you could definitely be dealing with a Taurus here. Okay, so let's see. Somebody could be dealing with a Gemini. And I also have an Aries here. But I feel like this person is looking at you like you're it. You're the one. You're my man. You're my woman. This is a soulmate situation. I'm not letting you go. But the thing is, I feel like you guys made a decision about this person and you're realizing that there's no stability with them. So it's kind of like, I don't care if you feel like I'm the one, I'm your one true love. Leave me alone, because we keep doing this and I keep trying and you keep disappointing me. So you can get the hell on, basically. Yeah, see what I'm saying? Y'all cut this person off. Some of you guys could have been dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra, because you felt like things were not improving with them. See, this person broke your heart. This person definitely broke your heart. Clarify the Three of Swords. Yeah, see, this one, it was a third party. Somebody was entertaining someone else, or it's like family, friends, something was involved here. But it's like this person wants to fix things. They want things to improve between the two of you. Page of Swords tried to jump off. I have a feeling this person's keeping an eye on you, Leo. But right now, they're just not putting in the work to come back towards you and speak their truth. They're not content, I feel like, with their finances. Somebody is definitely struggling with their money right now. See? I feel like they're having a hard time. They're definitely having a hard time and feeling guilty about everything that they put you through. But at the same time, I'm telling you, this person is helping someone else. Whether it's a romantic relationship or just like family, they feel obligated to help. See, and the Ace of Pentacles tried to jump out. I'm telling you, this person is giving money to someone, or they're receiving it, and they're keeping it quiet. They're not saying anything. Tell me more. You just feel like you don't really care. You don't like what you're seeing when it comes to this person, and they want to definitely turn things around. They want to work things out with you, but at the same time, they cause a lot of drama. And they feel like it's just not going to work out. So they definitely want a new beginning with you, but they're scared you don't want it anymore, and they're having a hard time with that. You could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo, but I'm telling you, this person wants to give you a commitment, Leo, but they're scared that you're going to turn this commitment down because you feel like there's no security with this person. Somebody could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. But let me see. Tell me about the Queen of Cups reverse. I feel like your guard is just up at this point. You're not opening up to this person anymore. You're done. You're tired of going through this cycle. You're like, when is enough enough? See what I'm saying? Y'all see there's 3 people. Definitely third-party situations going on. Somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or a Sagittarius. Or Leo, maybe this is you. You know, you're just to the point where you cut this person off. You moved on with your life. You've been healing. I told you were focusing on you. And there could be a situation to where now somebody else came into your life. And now you have to choose between 2. Or if it's not you, cross-watcher, you know, vice versa. But somebody is definitely having to choose between 2 different people. Period, point blank. Leo, you could be dealing with a Leo, but I think this is you. Some of y'all have moved on and somebody else has come into your life that's new. Somebody else could have come back into your life, and now the other person is trying to come back to it. And it's like you have to make a decision. For some of you guys, honestly, this hasn't happened yet. So, this is about to be good. This hasn't happened yet. So, yeah. And it's like if this is you, and you're in this situation, it's like you're not going to have the strength to choose, because it's like you really love and care about this old person, but at the same time, you don't trust them because you feel like they're going to mess up again. So now you're like, you know what, I need to move on and give this new person a chance. Like, I'm not about to cut this new person off just because the old person came back in. I'm telling you, somebody's going to have to make a decision. Oh, this is juicy. Leo, what y'all going to do? Okay. So, I feel like somebody's going to come out of being confused about trying to make a decision. And they're not frustrated about it, whether that's you or this other person. Okay, so I feel like it could be the other person, Leo. If it wasn't you juggling, it could be this other person, because at this point, they're trying to clean up their act. They're trying to change their ways. And at first, they were confused. Maybe, okay, so this could have been them, where they were trying to choose between you and someone else. Y'all take it however it fits. I'm picking up 2 scenarios, so it's a lot of y'all. Alright, so they were confused, but now it's like they're not confused anymore, and this is why I feel like they're trying to clear away this other person, trying to clear away different obstacles, because they want to be with you. And they're changing their mindset. See? But they're scared that if they come back and give you this offer, you're going to turn it down, and this is why this person is taking their time to come back towards you, Leo. But there is going to be communication here. Like, they're going to reach out to you because they want the truth. Some of you guys could be dealing with a Libra. Clarify justice, please. This person is telling you that they're scared, basically. They're looking for the truth because they're scared that you don't want to be with them anymore. They're scared that you don't want to have a family with them, marriage, all of that. This person is making plans to come and see you, though. They're definitely planning on coming to visit you, Leo, because they want to make things right. See? They want happiness with you. Clarify the sun. There's a Queen of Pentacles again. I'm telling you, they look at you as you're someone who's stable. You know, you have stability, you're caring, you're nurturing. They love all of this about you. And they're coming back in because whoever they were dealing with, whether it's a romantic situation, family, friends, it's like there was no balance with that person or those individuals. So now this person wants to balance things out with you. You could have been dealing with a Sagittarius. Let's see. But somebody is feeling stuck or trapped, like they're not speaking up about something. Clarify the 8 of Swords, please. Okay, somebody's using their intuition. Okay, tell me more. More so up. Okay, so the Hermit is here. Somebody could be dealing with a Virgo, but this was a lesson. I feel like whoever messed up, they're doing a lot of thinking right now. They're going deep within because see, they want to come back and balance things out with you. Clarify the 6 of Pentacles. Yeah, they're wanting to come back and balance things out with you. They're definitely coming out of being frustrated, but they're just not being positive that this is going to work out. Somebody could be dealing with an Aquarius, but this person is trying to hold on to hope that they can reconcile with you. But they are moving really slow to do so. Yeah. Could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. But this person has a hard time showing you their emotions. So it's like they don't really speak their truth. And they know when they come back in, because you're not talking to them anymore. You're no longer going to open up to ask them, what happened? What's going on? Why you feel this way? It's like you're done. And they know when they come back in, they have to speak their truth. So, yeah, you guys just aren't worried about them anymore. Tell me more. This person feels like they don't even deserve you. I heard that one loud and clear. They feel like they don't deserve you, see? And they feel like they're not going to have a happy home with you. When they come back, like you're going to shut it down. See? Y'all cutting them off. Look, see what I'm saying? Y'all cut this person off. Somebody's definitely dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, Libra. But see, this person is taking it day by day because they're coming back in. But right now, they're just not moving forward towards you right now. Somebody could be dealing with a Cancer. Somebody also could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. But Leo, that's you. You guys, I'm telling y'all focusing on yourselves.